Hi, from Formnext 2022. Delighted to be here with Burak from Plus 90, but also infoTRON, long-time partner of Stratasys. How long have you been a partner with Stratasys, Burak?
Since '95. Since '95 we have been working with Stratasys, and we are proud of it, and we are loyal to Stratasys, and we like what we see.
And I've got to be honest, behind us we've got probably one of the best models of FDM I've ever seen, post-processing, just absolutely stunning. I mean, talk us through just the application, a little bit about how you've been able to do it.
We have been working with Stratasys since '95, and we have been providing services with our Stratasys FDM system since then. So we have really good application engineers and post-processors. And we have formed a different company called Plus 90 for just this purpose, service bureau business. And Plus 90 is actually a partner of GMN, global partner network of Stratasys.
Yes, indeed. The partner network, basically for service bureaus making parts on demand, right?
Yes.
So tell us about the kind of the larger market at the moment. How's things looking out there for AM? How's any trends you can kind of highlight to us?
When we started the business, we were happy to have a prototype. I mean, when it was finished, now it's hundreds of parts we are going after, and I think in the next 2-3 years it will be thousands of parts. So it's going into manufacturing and getting much less automated in the next 2-3 years, I think.
And you're a seasoned pro, you've been around for a few years in the AM industry, you've seen things come and go, but any kind of vision of where AM might go in the future?
I think it's going into manufacturing. I think it's only 0.1% of manufacturing. I think it will be much more in the next couple of years.
And you see automation becoming part of that? We've got the robot on the Stratasys stand.
Yes.
Is that kind of going to be part of your future-proofing?
I think so, because once the parts are growing to thousands and 10,000s, then you need automation. Yeah. And at Formnext you see lots of robots around. That's the vision that we have. It will be much more automated, and it will be much faster producing parts.
And just finally, I've got to ask you, how did you end up with Scott Crump's Stratasys name tag?
Actually, I'm the real Scott Crump. I found the patent, but he stole it from me.
Okay, well, good to meet you in person, Scott, at last. Thanks a lot. Cheers.